AICO's Education Assurance Plan. Every parent's desire is to ensure that their children get quality education, empowering them to pursue a fulfilling life in the future. AICO's education policies have been designed to help achieve these goals without disruption from unforeseen circumstances. School Fees Plan is a savings plan targeted towards financing the future education of a named child in the event of death or permanent disability of parent, guardian. It is an instrument by which sufficient fund is accumulated for the child's education expenses. Education is guaranteed. The plan can guarantee the education of a child if the parent or guardian dies, becomes permanently disabled, or contracts a critical illness. No extra payments. The premium can be embedded into the school fees, so the parent doesn't have to pay anything extra. Peace of mind. The plan can help ensure that a child's education isn't disrupted by financial setbacks. Savings. The plan can help save money over time, so a lump sum is available at the right time. No loans. The plan can help avoid taking loans for school and paying interest. Maintenance benefits. The child receives maintenance benefits of 12% of the premium every year. Would you like to purchase this plan? Speak to an AICO staff today, Sunday Okekwu. WhatsApp number 080616197190 080540358004. Email sundayicoplc@gmail.com.